Exercise 2.3 of 8th class. 8th question. 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Transposing 7x upon 15 to left hand side. अब आप देख रहे हैं कि 7x upon 15 एंड इन दिस साइड 2x upon 3 ये अननाउन वेरिएबल टर्म्स हैं, इनको सेम साइड में लेके जाएंगे तो एंड 7x upon 15 comes from right side to left side, that time its sign will be changed. Now it becomes 2x upon 3 is already in this side, so minus 7 upon 5 7x upon 15 is equal to 3 is already in the right side, 1 comes from the left side, तो प्लस का 1 जब इधर आएगा तो ये माइनस 1 हो जाएगा. Now in right side we have 3 minus 1 means 2, and in left side we will solve this side by taking a LCM. We will take LCM of 3 and 15. It is a 15. First 15 divided by LCM 15 divided by 3, we will got here 5. 5 multiplied by 2 10x minus 15 divided by 15 1 multiplied by 7x to 7x. Now we have in this side becomes 10x minus 7x 3x upon 15 equal to 2. So now we want to find out value of the x. So 15 go that side in multiply of 2 because in this side 15 are here in division, so it will be go that side in multiply, and 3 is in multiplication of x, so 3 go that side in division. 3 and 5 15 cut with the table of 3, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15, so 5 is here, 5 2 ja 10, so x की value we have find out here 10. Now we will check our result. So now again we will put here in this equation value of the x is 10, 2 into 10 upon 3 plus 1, 7 into 10 upon 15 plus 3, 20 upon 3 plus 1, 70 upon 15 plus 3. Now we can take here 1 upon 1, and in this side 3 को हम लिख सकते हैं 3 upon 1. Now we are taking LCM of in this side 3 and 1 का जो LCM है that is a 3. Now 3 divided by 3, 1 multiplied by 20 we get here 20 plus LCM 3 divided by 1 3, 3 multiplied by 1 3, so this side becomes 20 plus 3 23 upon 3. Same thing is here, we will take LCM of 15 and 1, we will go to here 15 LCM 15 divided by this 15, so we will go to here 1 multiplied by 70, so we have taken here 70 plus 15 divided by 1 15 3 is 45, take total is there 115 upon 15 115 and 15 cut table of 5, so in this side become 23 upon 3, so in the last we will see here 23 upon 3 in left side, 23 upon 3 is in right side, so both sides are equal, so our result is right. Same this type question number 9, 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. Now we transposing minus y to left side and 5 by 3 comes to right side, because we want to take in left side unknown variables, so it becomes 2y plus y in this side, and in right side becomes 26 upon 3 is already there, 5 by 3 comes in this side in minus 5 by 3, because in left side it is plus, so it will become right side, that time sign will be changed. Now we are taking LCM of right side, 3 in 3 and 3 we are taking LCM, it is also 3, LCM divided by 3 1 multiplied by 26 minus LCM divided by this 3 divided by 3 1 multiplied by 5 26 minus 5 21 upon 3. Now it becomes here 7, in right side becomes 7, and in left side 2y plus y 3y, 3 is here in multiply, 3 go that side in division. This 23 upon 3 is already there, so first 21 divided by 3 we get here 7. These are cut table of cuts table of 3 1 ja 3 3 7 ja 7, 3y equal to 7, so y equal to 7 by 3. This time we have find out a value of the y, that is a 7 upon 3. Now we will check our result, checking 2y plus 5 by 3 equal 26 upon 3 minus y. This is our equation. Putting y is equal to 7 upon 3, we have 2 into, because 2 and y are here in multiply, so at the place of y we will put here 7 by 3, 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3 equal 26 upon 3 minus 7 by 3. Now it becomes 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. 26 upon 3 minus 7 by 3. Now taking the LCM in this side 3. 14 plus 5. In this side 3 is LCM because both numbers are same, so 3. Numerator is also same, comes here 26 minus 7. So 19 upon 3, 19 upon 3. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So it is verified. This time we will prove both sides are equal. So our answer is a right. It is a y is equal to 7 by 3.